Hello. I am an open source maintainer on a variety of different open source projects, and one of them is a blog template. It's the same blog template that I use on my personal blog. I have just some very light tasks that I have to do. First of all, I have to update Astro and TinaCMS, and I have an issue where I have to update the Twitter creator because I noticed in one of the files that if you look very closely, it actually hard codes my name in there instead of whoever is running the blog, and so I need to make that generic, but then also update the README. Now, these tasks I've mentioned are not hard. I acknowledge that, but I do not want to spend my brain power on them. So that is what the CLI is for. You can install the Copilot CLI on any operating system. I already have, and I'm going to run Copilot. Now that I've done that, there's a slash command called fleet that I've never played with before, and so we're going to do that now live for the first time. Now what fleet does, it allows you to prompt Copilot to do multiple tasks at once in parallel. So I'm going to do slash fleet, and then my prompt is going to be solve issue number, I think that was 34. Oh, look at that, it has it ready for me. Yeah, 34. It adds that little autocomplete there. And also upgrade the dependencies for Astro and for TinaCMS and fix any breaking changes that might occur. So that being said, I'm done. I have done my open source maintenance on this repo for the day. Yes, I could have done this myself, but it takes a few seconds for me to just write that down and have some agents run it while I get on with my life and do some other open source maintenance tasks. This might not be the biggest repository in the world, but it has just enough users that I want to make sure things are maintained, and I just don't want to be bothered with some of these low-level tasks that take just enough time and mental effort that I don't want to deal with it. So that being said, Copilot's doing things for me. You can check out the repo right here, and we'll see you next time.